So guys, today I'm going to be doing two unboxings. One is from Rackety Toast 3 to me, and then the next one is from Max Flores to me, obvious. So yeah, I'm just going to go open this one first. So yeah, just get a spoon knife. And they came pretty quick, cause yeah, I don't know, but it did come really quick though. Kind of happy too. And I would like to reuse this if we do another trade, so I'm just not gonna like totally just rip it apart. Alright, so in okay, hold on. I honestly forgot what I got. I really don't know. And I like to reuse bubble wrap, so yeah, I'm not gonna just tear it apart. Yeah, alright, yeah, I got my smoothies. I totally forgot. And man, he did nice packaging. So yeah, alright, here are the smoothies. Wow, those look really cool. And these are really smoothies. Because you can just tell from Tech Deck wheels how they look. These are more white and these are more, I don't know. But these just are smoothies. And I really do trust him. I know he's not a scammer. So yeah, you can just tell. They don't even have like China on them or something. Like, you know how like Tech Deck have like China? So yeah. Put in actually a lot of non-sliders, so yeah, thanks. I'm just gonna put everything back in the bag. And then I'll set it up later with my new deck. Alright, so that's that first package, and I'm gonna open this one from Max Flores. He lives all the way in California, so it came here really fast. He shipped it like Friday, so it came really fast, obviously. I'm trying to figure out how I would open this. Alright, so that's the inside. He drew in a lot of things. So first we get a flat face triangles. That figure out later. Zoomy sticker. Porn storm sticker. Yes. Alright. Monster Energy sticker. And another flat face sticker. Piece of TJ tape. Oh, I actually like that. It's really smooth. Something in here coming out. Alright, and a lot of trucks. A lot of hangers and paper cut material and risers. Alright, thanks. And that's it. Now let's get to the main part, what we traded for. Alright, so here it is. Wow, it actually feels... Hold on, I just want to see. That looks a little bit longer. If you can tell. Yeah, that has to be longer, because look. Hold on. If you look, I don't know, if you just look from the side, it looks longer. Yeah, a lot longer. But, yeah, we traded, I'm giving him, some obstacles that I made for, his burn wood, and, yeah. It's really good. I mean, It's like the only brown wood that I have with like good condition. So yeah, I'll accept it. I really don't care how the condition is. It actually feels wider, and I'm really happy about that because I like wide decks. And yeah, hold on, I just want to get this out. But obviously, it is a brown wood, and you can tell from just the plies and the shape. And yeah, he's like super legit. He did say he would throw in another deck, but I honestly don't really need that. It was like a homemade deck or something. I really don't care about that. Just want to see if tape fits. Alright, it does fit. This is like the only tape I have. So thanks a lot. Because if I didn't have tape, I'd be really mad. So yeah, I'm gonna set this up with my new smoothies. Yeah. And yeah, I'm gonna test it out, my new brown wood, and yeah. And I got your pack. I mean, yeah, I'm gonna ship out your package today, Max, if you're watching this. So thanks, and thanks for doing the trade, and thanks Rackety Toast 3 too. And please, guys, go subscribe to them. They're like super legit, and you can always trust them. Let me get this off. Hold on. Yeah, but I mean, it's in pretty good. I mean, it's not the best condition, but hey, it's brown wood, and it has some graphic on it. But yeah. So thanks, guys. Peace. Go subscribe.